Forever? You took forever before you pushed into the water, didn't you? Because I have hiked a long ways from where they camped. I've hiked a long ways from where they've camped. I've come side hill a long ways. I was beginning to worry. I knew that you didn't go by me first, but... Need rocks in that boat in order to even it out? Are you looking for the gold pan? Pat?
What?
You looking for the gold pan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, keep an eye out. That's why I hiked up this far. It looks like it's going to make it. Where's the nearest spot we can pull it out by?